Hello! We are going to cook a blue apron today. It looks like we're cooking seared chicken and creamy Italian dressing. So I'm going to be doing this along with the help of
me,
Jayden. All right, so we're going to show you the ingredients that we're starting with. So this is what we got. We kind of unboxed it. I unboxed it and I started washing a few of the vegetables. But we're going to start, the first instruction says that we need to prepare them by chopping. So we're going to do some chopping. So I lied. The first ingredient actually, or the first thing to do, we have to boil the water because we're going to cook some potatoes. So I need to get some water boiling. So that's what I'm doing. Alright, so the next step is we're going to pat the chicken dry and season it with some half of this Italian seasoning and some salt and pepper. So we're going to get that ready to cook.
let's cook. So, if you can't hear me, it's because of the sizzling, but we got new plates and stuff, and instead of just mom and dad, your whole family's gonna be eating. So we've had this balloon up here on the roof for a couple days now, and we got all the fans on because it got pretty smoky. And now the balloon's moving like crazy. It ended up getting so cold because we had the windows open and the fan is on and everything. See, there's the fan. It ended up getting so cold that I had to put a sweater on. Okay, so I'm mashing the potatoes right now. So this is what theirs was, or what it was supposed to look like, and this is what ours looks like.